there, folks! In today's episode of Mexchime Gaming, we're going to play the game called Subway Surfers. I think I played this before a really long time ago, so I might be good at it. And also, I'm very sorry for the bad recording of the last two videos, so my third video is just going to be amazing. So, I think I'm gonna start right now. Oh no! The cop is chasing the guy because the guy wants to go on the subway track and dodge the subway trains. So the goal is to not crash into any subway trains or any of the crossing things. So yeah. Since I played this a long time ago, let's see how good I am. Okay, so the word of the day is tan. I think I can understand that. Oh my god, I'm already on level 15. I think I'm doing pretty good. So I really want to die really soon, but I just can't give up like that because I'm just doing really well. Look, I'm already on, what? Oh no, just the top. Oh, ad! Okay, fine, I could use the stupid ad. Alright, bat, okay. Tab, I know is a word. And at. Alright, fabulous. Okay, done. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I got the end. Yes. What can I get for the word hunt? Oh, a mystery box. These are always good. Alright. I think this is going too fast for me. There's also no music. Oh, okay, got that. Oh, shouldn't have jumped there. This is easy. All the trains are coming on one side, so I could just use the other side. Okay. Got the 2x. Oh, almost died. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Okay. That's also easy. I could just use the other side. Okay, I hate the shoe. I always die on the shoe, so I hate it. Okay. I think I remember this game a lot. It's really popular. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, this is very... Okay, the magnet's really good at this. At this time, of course this magnet's really good. Of course that magnet was really good at that time. Okay. Alright, so... Dang it, I don't have that magnet again. So I could get, like, how many coins last time? Like, 900? I think I have vague memories of getting, like, 1,500 coins. Oh my god. Oh my god. 2x. Okay. Okay. Did I just miss that 2x? I just missed that 2x, right? Alright. But I think I could still do good without it. Oh my god, this is just so hard. I don't understand why people like this game. Exactly. Loading an ad. Come on, it's the exact same ad that I did. That happens another time. Okay. Tab. I knew that. Alright, wood cookies. I do not want to download word cookies Subway Surfers, okay? I really don't. Alright. Okay, I can just use all this side is free. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is like the hardest part. Actually, I sort of like this game. It's better than nothing, I guess. But look, I have 915 coins. What do I expect? I have to like this game. Exactly. I just keep doing the ads. Why is it always the same ad? Tab. I just did tab. Okay. Why did it say X? Alright. So. I think I really like this game. I'm sort of addicted to it. Ugh. My god. Okay, I thought that was a stupid magnet. Oh my god. Oh my shoot. Yes! Oh, yes! Ah, come on. But I can get 1,000 coins. And I can also get a Spike's guitar, I guess. It's 2x Spike's guitar. And this. Another 800 coins. And this. A hoverboard. And this is a 3x Tricky's hat. So I'm going to change my character. So me. Welcome Sid26. Who's that? Alright. I think I want Fresh or Spike? No. Fresh. Oh, Fresh. Who's Utani? I'm Fresh. I like Fresh. Oh, I gotta go to home. I gotta see the get result. Is what? Is it a bronze? Or is it a silver or gold? It's a bronze. Alright. Oh, I'm on the silver week. 6,205. Really? Alright. So. Sorry, Dora, that I was making fun of your score. Sorry. But, okay. I think I'll do. Dang it. Why did I jump there? Fresh is not really doing that good. Even though he is getting a lot of coins. Oh, I got a key. Those are sort of rare in getting in actual Subway Surfers games. In Subway Surfers rounds. But wait. Why did I just do that stupid thing? Oh. I like the mask, so, I think I should, play this. I think I should play this for, one of my next, gaming games. Maybe record it I can see. But I think I'll go next. I'll go next. I think I'm gonna go next, so. Alright, swipe. Okay. I'm doing pretty good. Okay. Alright. I think I'm doing good. Okay. Yay, I won. Okay, no. Alright, 2, 1, go! Alright. So, I think I'm doing well. It is going pretty fast, but oh my god, I'm doing so bad though. I'm doing so bad at this. Damn. Okay, there's no way to beat level 5, I swear, really. I guess, but there probably is some way to beat level 5. There probably is, but she just hasn't figured it out. Look, there's no way to beat level 5, I swear. Are you kidding me? I mean, look at this. This guy's figured this out. So I guess there is no way to beat level 5, I swear. Alright, maybe that. And then that. Okay, that is obvious. Oh, dang. Oh, come on. I think this is good. That. Oh my god, this is hard. Alright. Alright. Ads, so, okay, ads over. Back to running. Alright. Alright, let's see how you like it, game. Oh, Fresh is good at doing. Come on, how did I see that? Alright. So I think I really like this game. Okay. Alright, that's me. Okay. 286260. Maybe that was from me from a long time ago. I don't know. Maybe I got it from my last game. I'm not sure. I think I'll do one more round and then I'll do Game Critic. Okay? If that's okay with you, viewers. Okay. I know it starts out slow. Why you torturing me, video? I want fast. Oh, great. Jetpack. Oh, what the hell? Jetpack. Oh my god. That was so lame. Okay, I did not get any jetpacks. So, I think I'm going to do what I like to call Game Critic now. I sort of remember this game now. I like it, except I'm not sure why it starts out really slow and then goes up to fast. I think it should be just fast. I mean, like, it makes the game more challenging, but I'm just so stupid. Well, at least I'm not stupid, but I just can't. My reflexes aren't really that good. That's why I kept dying on Knock'em and Geometry Dash. Stupid Sub-Zero. Okay, my tour. So tan. Yeah. Alright, so I think that's it for the day. I will see you next time. Or, as I like to call, I will see you Mexchime. So, I'll see you Mexchime. Bye-bye. See you in another video. Playing another game. Bye.